अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, एक नए दिन के साथ एक नए रिव्यू के साथ हम आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हैं जी। जो आज हम रिव्यू करने जा रहे हैं, दिस इज़ अ VXL Cultus 2020 मॉडल विच इज़ ऑफर्ड बाय पार्क सुजुकी। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इसके वेरिएंट्स के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं। वी हैव 3 वेरिएंट्स इन Cultus ऑफर्ड बाय पार्क सुजुकी। नंबर 1 इज़ VXR, number 2 is VXL, and number 3 is VXL AGS, which is an automatic transmission offered by Park Suzuki. Now starting with the price, जो बेस वर्जन है इसका VXR, which is मैनुअल शीशे और मैनुअल गियर एंड बेसिक मॉडल, वो हमें कॉस्ट करता है तकरीबन 17,80,000। VXL वेरिएंट जो है वो हमें कॉस्ट करता है 18,85,000, which is 18,85,000, and the AGS top of the line version automatic transmission कॉस्ट करता है हमें 20,50,000, 20,50,000 रुपीज़। प्लस जो रजिस्ट्रेशन कॉस्ट है लाहौर से इसकी वो है 35,000 रुपीज़। The car in front of us is a VXL manual transmission 2020 model which costs around 18,85,000 plus registration, which is 35,000 for Lahore. This car comes with a 1000cc engine with 5-speed manual transmission. The fuel tank of this car is 35 liters. Company claims that it can go up to 20 km per liter easily within city with AC, and on long it can go around 25 km per liter with AC. This, as you can see, is a 4-door hatchback with a beautiful sporty design. As far as the safety features are concerned, this car comes up with front disc and rear drum brakes with ABS function. Further, we have 2 airbags in this car at front. One is for the driver's side and one is at the passenger side, located at front dashboard. The basic features which are offered by Park Suzuki in this VXL 2020 variant are alloy wheels, central locking, keyless entry, immobilizer key, fog lamps, 4 power windows, power steering with tilt function, AC, DVD and Android panel, ABS brakes and airbags. Interior room is very spacious, as you can see, with a seating capacity of 5 people, 5 adults easily. The dashboard quality of this car is better as compared with the previous version. In 2020 model, it comes standard with a DVD Android panel, as you can see, which is a very good step. Although the quality is not good, but it is a good initiative by Park Suzuki Motors. The DVD panel supports USB, SD card function, Bluetooth and aux function. The AC performance in this car is very satisfactory, and we have analog dials for the AC adjustment right below the DVD panel. Then coming to the seats are finished with fabric material and it's a very average quality. As you can see in the picture, the fabric is of very average quality and the finishing is not very good. Now coming to the driver's side door panel, we have switches for the 4 power windows, the central locking button, windows lock function and the side mirror control function. The cluster panel comes with the tachometer, speedometer and a digital information screen. The quality of this cluster panel is very good and it's far better than the previous version. Overall, the car is good and value for money, as the mileage is really good and we can get easily up to 20 to 25 km per liter in city with AC. The drive is smooth as compared with the previous version. Sitting posture is good, ground clearance is good. So this is all for today's review. उम्मीद करते हैं आप सबको पसंद आया होगा। इसी तरह की अगर आप सिंपल क्विक से रिव्यू देखना चाहते हैं तो हमें अपने कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं, हम आपके लिए कोशिश करेंगे कि जल्द से जल्द वो रिव्यू लेकर आएँ। हमारे रिव्यू का मकसद यही होता है कि आपको एक सिंपल ओवरव्यू दिया जाए कार का। डिटेल रिव्यू स्पेक्स के लिए बहुत सारे प्रोफेशनल रिव्यूज़ ऑलरेडी बन चुके होते हैं। एक ओवरव्यू को एक सा हम आपको देते हैं कार का, जिसमें कि आपको बेसिक फीचर्स और की पॉइंट्स का गाड़ी के पता लग जाए, आपका डिसीजन मेकिंग ईजी हो जाता है। तो इसी के साथ हमें इजाज़त दें। बहुत शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।